Hi guys, I'm here with another trending nail art tutorial for you guys, and this one's pretty fun. I'm sure you guys have been seeing this one on Instagram, TikTok. It's the 3D chrome drip kind of look. So what I showed you guys in the first clip is a hard gel. That's what you'll need to accomplish this look. It's like $10. You can get it from Amazon or like your local nail supply store. It shouldn't be anything more than $10, and you're going to make sure you get the one that says clear. Another name for this is called builder gel. It's just a very, very thick, clear gel basically, and it allows you to like mold and build things and build on top of the nail. So you're going to take a line art brush and you're going to want to move kind of gentle, kind of slow, because you don't want this to go all over the nail. You kind of want to control it as much as you can. So I'm going to dry the first coat of this, and I just did like a random lines, nothing too perfect. And then to make them super 3D, to make them stand out a little bit more, you're going to go over it again. You can go over it maybe 3 or 4 times, and however many times you want to do. I think I only went over mine 3 times just to get it like that real bubbly look. And then you're going to dry it again. Also, I don't know if this is like a known fact, but when you're drying and you're using a light, make sure you're moving your gel out the way, because you don't want to cure the gel that's in the bottle. So just a little tip. Now I'm going to go in with the black. A lot of people ask me what black I use. This is a Valentino black. It's in the number 48. I've tried a lot of blacks, and I always like to say that the brand of black shouldn't matter, but I know sometimes the quality, you want to look for quality, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a really quality black. Once I've started using it and buying it, I haven't really ever like looked at any other black polishes. So I'm really funny when it comes to like specific colors, like white and black. I'm really, particular about, because I don't like when the white looks too yellow when you cure it, and then I don't like when the black doesn't dry properly. So I do like those two. For my white polish and my black polish, I do recommend Valentino. Other than that, you can get whatever colors you want off Amazon, because that's pretty much what I do. Now you're going to want to also be careful with this part, because we are going to add a chrome pigment on top of this. So wherever you put the black is where the chrome is going to pick up. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, I'm just going to take this line art brush and I'm just filling in all of the areas. I'm getting as close to the nail as possible without touching the actual acrylic on the nail, but also making sure you cover that clear 3D design that we just did. And then once you add and fill in all the spaces, you're going to cure this again. Again, we're going to put chrome on here, so you're going to want to make sure it's pretty cured. If not, the chrome won't stick properly. So I would cure mine for about 2 minutes at least, because I think that black just needs more time to cure. So 2 minutes at least, nothing over 2 minutes, and then you should be good to go. So yeah, and then you're gonna do I'm using a silver chrome. You can do whatever color you want, but I'm using silver because I just feel like silver chrome is just in. I said that in my last video. But yeah, once you dry it, you're gonna just take that little applicator brush and just buff it into the nail, all to cover all the black on the nail. And then also I wanna do this tutorial. I'm probably gonna film this one next, where it's like a snake wrap around in the silver chrome. I'll probably put like a little picture so you guys can see it. So yeah, stay tuned for that one. I'll probably record that one today and get it out to you guys this week. So yeah, then once you finish buffing in that chrome, you can also take like a really fine brush to brush away the extra chrome that's on the nail, but make sure you're using like a really soft brush. I'm using actually a foundation brush, because I don't wear makeup, and I bought this brush a long time ago, so now I use it for nails. But yeah, something super soft to where it won't disturb the chrome. Don't use like I'll show you actually what not to use. That is not a good brush to use when you're trying to brush off chrome, because the bristles are too hard and it will disturb the chrome, and then you'll start to see the black underneath you. So you'll essentially scratch off the chrome if you use a brush that's too hard. So now I'm gonna go in with a top coat, and I used the Modelone's top coat. I just feel like it just really works. And then once you finish top coating, you're going to dry this again, and then you're pretty much done. And that is how you do the 3D chrome drip effect look. I know there's like a lot of people have different techniques to how you can do this, but this one just works really well for me. I've probably done this on my clients like at least 10 times, and it just works. I've done it in chrome, not chrome, gold chrome, pink chrome, blue chrome. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this one out and tell me what you think about it, and stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon.